Hi everyone! Today we're making a crystal clear young coconut agar dessert. Light, tropical, perfect for warm days. Let's go! You'll need the sweet water from one young coconut, about 350 to 400 milliliters, 6 grams agar powder, 2 to 4 tablespoons sugar, say 20 to 30 grams, then 100 milliliters water and 100 milliliters coconut milk for that silky top layer. For the clear layer, pot. Pour in 350 to 400 milliliters coconut water. Sprinkle 3 grams agar right on top. Stir. Bloom 5 minutes. Medium heat, keep stirring, clear, 3 to 5 minutes. Simmer just enough to wake the agar. Sweetness, 1 to 1.5 tablespoons sugar. Stir until gone. Off heat, 1 to 2 minutes rest. Strain if you want perfection. Pour into the mold. Wait till it's a wobbly jelly, soft set, waiting for its creamy twin. Shred the tender pulp into thin, soft strips, like fresh rain. While it's still tacky, tuck the coconut shreds in, like stars caught mid-float. Creamy layer, 100 milliliters coconut milk, 100 milliliters water, last 3 grams agar. Stir, bloom 5 minutes. Heat, dissolve, sweeten with 1 to 1.5 tablespoons sugar. Cool, just enough to pour. Slow pour. Fridge, 2 hours, quiet. Knife round, warm water dip, flip. There, clear bottom, creamy crown, tender shreds suspended. Serve chilled. Warm the knife, slice clean, wipe, repeat. Plate it cold, scatter toasted coconut like snow, mint like green fire, or mango dice for color. The clear jelly gleams. Light, almost weightless. Those coconut ribbons dance inside. Sweeter? Just 1 more spoon of sugar next round. Skip the cream layer if you want pure glass. Thanks for watching. Tap like, subscribe. Tell me what you'd top it with. Bye!